Hey, what's up guys? Dan here and welcome to MonkeyPlays. So guys, in today's video, we're going to unbox a 2 to 4 player game published by Leader Games and it's called Root. So guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. So tara, game! So guys, let's unbox this game, but before anything else, let's appreciate first the artwork of the box. So, at the front side of this box, we can see the name of the game, that is Root, a game of woodland, might, and right. And if we're going to look at this side, we can see these 4 creatures. So we have a mouse holding a rope and a scroll, a bird with a bow and arrow, a cat with an axe, and a raccoon with a dagger or a knife, and then mayroon siyang baston. And if we're going to look, syempre yung pinaka-artwork, sobrang cute nila and ang setup nila is nasa wood nga sila or nasa forest. So meron tayong mga trees and rivers dito sa side na to. At the side of the box, we have here this image of a fox with the name of the game, and then we have here a little information like this game is played around 2 to 4 player game. The game span for this is 60 to 90 minutes and you can start playing this game ages 10 years old and up. We also have here the logo of our publisher, that is Leader Games. At the back of the box, we have here the name of the game, a little freebie about the game, the possible designs of the components, the list of the awards that they won, and then the logo of our publisher. So, unbox na natin siya. There you go. So the first thing that we have here is this booklet. Walking to Root, an extended example of play. Ayan. Setting up the walkthrough. Ayan yung pinaka-map. And so on. There you go. Set aside mo natin yan. Next, we have here the rule book. So, learning to play, table of contents, introduction, flow of play, victory and gaining victory points, walkthrough, and so on. So, ito naman siya. Yung mga, paano yung pinaka-gameplay na. Ayan. There you go. Next, we have here another book. The Law of Root, Table of Contents, and mas marami pang babasahin. Ayan. There you go. Cute ng artwork na to. Nice. So, set aside mo natin to. And let's go sa susunod na makikita natin sa box. We have here some boards. I think this is the player boards. So, kunin mo natin to. So, we have here this one, yung raccoon. And vagabond. And then at the back, we have this design. Ayan, function, components manifest, setup, playing the vagabond, and so on. There you go. Next, we have here this one, Woodland Alliance. Yung fox at saka yung, I think that is a mouse. Ayan siya. Sa likod, same lang din, pero iba naman yung faction component manifest niya. And then, paano lalaruin yung pinaka-alliance. Ayan. We also have this one, yung cat. There you go. And lastly is this one, yung birds. So, set aside mo natin yan. Next, we have this one, Root. So, meron tayong parang house dyan. And I think ito na yung pinaka-board. So, tabi ko muna to. And let's check yung pinaka-board. So, ito yung pinaka-board. Sobrang laki niya. Hindi na siya kasya sa table ko. Pero, ito yung pinaka-harapan. So, pakita ko na lang. Iusog ko na lang. So, meron ditong tracker. Ayan. Merong 0 to 30. And then, yung pinakataas ng board is meron namang gantong images. Ayan. Yung pangalan din ng root. At the back, we have this design. Ayan. Yung kulay puti naman. And this is a double-sided. So, yung kabila is parang summer ang peg. Ito naman winter. So, that's it. So, set aside mo natin to. So, the next thing that we have here sa box is this cardboards na kailangan natin unpunch, yung mga token. So, unpunch muna natin to. So, we have these tokens. Ayan. So, merong mga parang dahon. Ayan. And then, we also have this token na kasama yan. So, may bird na merong parang mga dahon or parang yung sa victory points. Ayan. Of the orange tokens. Ito naman. So, meron naman tayo sa cat. For the green. Well, yung sa double-sided ng white, may gray, may white. Ayan. And then, ito naman yung sa raccoon. We also have these tokens. The next thing that we have here sa box is ito, C-blocks. Siyempre, para yan sa mga tokens natin. Meron din tayong mga cards. So, buksan natin yung mga cards. There you go. So, at the back side of the card, we have this design. So, overview. Ayan, yung sa bird. There you go. We also have yung overview para sa fox. We also have the board setup. Overview para sa kanya naman. Ayan. Board setup. And then, we have this design. Ayan. So, nandiyan yung raccoon natin. Ang angas ng artwork. Ang cool. Ang cool niya. And then, here, at the front side of the card, we have quest cards na color red, yellow, and orange. Next, we have the overview for this card or this character. Ayan. And then, we have this image or design. Ayan. So, meron siyang hawak na dagger. Then, naka-taklob yung mukha niya. Ayan siya. And then, at the front side of that card, we have the thief, tinker, and ranger. Ayan. Ayan sila. Then, we have these two cards na ganito yung design. At the front side, we have the loyal visor. Ayan. Kung tama pagkakapronounce ko. Ayan. Oops. And then, we have the claw nung bird. There you go. Let's open this another deck of cards. There you go. So, at the back side of the card, we have this design. Ayan, pare-pareho na sila. So, we have the images na ng ating mga 4 character. We have the mouse, the bird, the fox, and then I think this is a rabbit. Ayan. At the front side of this card, we have these images. So, we have the blue card. Ayan. The red. The yellow. Ang cool. And then, the orange. Then, meron ding mga nakaseparate na ibang color cards dito. So, may yellow, orange, blue, at saka red. Ayan. So, that's it. So, lagay mo natin yung mga cards dito. Next thing that we have here is this ziploc full of meeples. And then, the last thing that we have here is this dice. Ang cool nun dice. Sobrang na-amaze kami ng kapatid ko sa gantong dice. Ayan. And that's it. So, I think wala na siyang ibang laman. So, that is all that the components that we can see sa loob ng game ng root. So, tikpitan natin siya. Great! So guys, that is Root by Leader Games. So if you like this kind of video, please give us a like and share this video with your friends and family. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts in our FB page, Instagram account, at syempre sa aming YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. So guys, this is the end of this video. See you and sa rat!